ॐ गणानां गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पतानुशृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। शारदा शारदाम्बुज वदना वदनाम्बुजे सर्वदा सर्वदास्माकं सन्निधिं सन्निधिं कुर्यात्। सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातं तपोनिधिं। व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः। अचतुर्वदनो ब्रह्मा द्विबाहुरपरो हरिः अभाललोचनः शम्भुः भगवान् बादरायणः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Viledna Sutras Pratardhanadhikaran Sutras 168 128 Pranastathanugamat न वक्तुरात्मनोपदेशादिति चेदध्यात्मसम्बन्धभूमा यस्मिन् शास्त्रदृष्ट्या तूपदेशो वामदेववत् जीव मुख्य प्राणलिंगान्नेति चेन्नोपासात्र विद्यादाश्रितत्वादिह तद्योगात्। सर्वत्र प्रसिद्धोपदेशात् विवक्षित गुणोपपत्तेश्च अनुपपत्ति अनुपपत्तिस्तु न शारीरः कर्म कर्तृव्यपदेशाच्च शब्द विशेषात् स्मृतेश्च let us read page 190 second paragraph third paragraph स्मृतिश्च शारीर परमात्मनोः भेदं दर्शयति ईश्वर सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशेऽर्जुन तिष्ठति भ्रामयन् सर्वभूतानि यन्त्रारूढानि मायया इत्याद्या अत्राह कः पुनरयं शारीरो नाम परमात्मनोऽन्यः यः प्रतिषिध्यते अनुपपत्तेस्तु न शारीरः इत्यादिना श्रुतिस्तु नान्यतोऽस्ति द्रष्टा नान्यतोऽस्ति श्रोता इति एवं जातीयका परमात्मनोऽन्यमात्मानं वारयति तथा स्मृतिरपि क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत इति एवं जातीयकेति अत्रुच्यते सत्यम् एवैतत् पर एव आत्मा देहेन्द्रियमनोबुद्ध्युपादिभिः परिच्छिद्यमानः बालैः शारीर इति उपचर्यते यथा घटकर्कादि उपाधिवशात् अपरिच्छिन्नमपि नभः परिच्छिन्नवत् अवभासते तद्वत् तदपेक्षया च कर्मकर्तृत्वादि भेद व्यवहारो न विरुध्यते प्राप्तत्वमसि इत्यात्मैकत्वोपदेश ग्रहणात् गृहीते तु आत्मैकत्वे बंध मोक्षादि सर्व व्यवहार परिसमाप्तिरेव स्यात्। We were seeing the 11th adhikaran called सर्वत्र प्रसिद्ध अधिकरण. And this Adhikaran, Chandogya Upanishad 3.14.2 Manomaya Prana Sharir Bharopah. This mantra is under discussion. The discussion is of this mantra is how come here is it the Jeev which is described as Upasya or Ishwar which is described. Out of the Nirishwarvadi Darshan like Sankhya and Purmimamsa, getting the word Manomaya, they got a big chance to say that this cannot be Ishwar. And the Nirishwarvadi Darshan like Buddha, Bauddha, Jain, Charvak. There are 6 Nirishwarvadi Darshan. Charvak, Bauddha and Jain, then Purmimamsa, then Sankhya. Who are the Ishwari Darshan? Nyaya Vaisheshik. 5 Nirishwarvadi and 4 are Ishwarvadi Darshan. These 5 darshan came to this sutra. They went into the Upanishad and had chosen such sutras to prove that your Ishwar is not described in the Vedas. It is the imagination of your own mind. You have made the Ishwar, and therefore Ishwar is not the Upasya. Shantaman should be the Upasya. Quiet mind should be your Upasya. So to tackle this particular problem, Bhagavan Vedavyas, out of his brilliancy, you must be seeing his brilliancy in the sutras now, he brought out all the possible objections in Brahma Sutra of all time. So Brahma Sutra Rachna is 5,000 years back, much before Bhagavan Shankaracharya. And before Bhagavan Shankaracharya, there was no commentaries existing on Brahma Sutra. He is the pioneer commentator of Brahma Sutra. And because without his commentary, you must have found it is not difficult, almost impossible to understand Brahma Sutra. Because Vak ke Vishay Vak itself you won't know. There will be ambiguity about which is the statement where Bhagavan Vedavyas is talking about. So, some Ishwari Vyaktitva was required. Ishwari, God-like person was required. I don't think Bhagavan Shankaracharya is God-like. I feel he is only God only. So, otherwise, who can write so much? It's not a human effort. So in this particular 8 sutras are there in this 11th Adhikaran, and the first sutra of this Adhikaran dealt that you are saying about this Manomaya, but it is started Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma only. First point. Then Vivakshit Guna Upadeshach. You read the second mantra, third and fourth mantra, that itself has used the word like Akash Atma, Sarvagandha, Sarvakarma, Jayan Prithvi, etc. Then third sutra said Anupattescha. This Jeev cannot be satisfying these conditions because Jeev is very limited. It cannot be whose body is Akash, who's bigger than earth, etc. So Sarvatra Prasiddhi, that was the first, then second, then third. Then came another sutra called Karma Kartru Vyapadeshat. Because in the fourth mantra, are you following? In the fourth mantra, it is said that he attains this particular state. So attaining will always be different than the attainer. That is called Karma Kartru Vyapadeshat. Attainer and attained will be different. Till here he had taken the same Upanishad and same Chandilya with section to refute. Now he goes out of it. And the last sutra, I think fifth sutra of this, when I say fifth, it is this section fifth. He used the word from Shatpat Brahmana. And in the Shatpat Brahmana, there was one word, same word was coming like Vrihi, Yavam. So, all these words are indicated for the Upasya Devata. At the same time, in that Shatpat Brahmana, what is a very important clue, what he caught, you also learn to catch the points. Always catch the words of the, don't go for the surface studies. If you really want to enjoy the Shastra. I have seen there's a big difference when you just go up on the top and really you get into the meaning, vibhakti, etc. of words. Antaratman word and Purusha word was there. So Antaratman, I told, it is in the Saptami Vibhakti, seventh case, and Purusha is in the first Vibhakti. So Purusha is because it was Hiranyamaya, and therefore Purusha indicated Upasya Devata is in the Antaratman, is in the Jiva. And this establishes difference of the Jiva and Ishwar, and therefore, because same words in other places indicating difference, therefore he also, Upasya must be different only. Right? Like you are there, at some place you go and say that I am this person. I am different from this person. At other place you don't say, but you are sitting and that person is also sitting. Even you are not saying but you have said it somewhere else. Therefore I will take your words from there and say, because there he said he is different from that, therefore here also is different from that. I will take your words from there. He is gone out now. So this was Shabd Visheshat. This is the fifth sutra. I hope you are clear on the fifth sutra. Only one trick is there to study Brahma Sutra. Don't go fast. And try to open each sutra with this Sanskrit and grammar. You will feel it is easy. Moment you jump here and there or see the translation or some notes you only see hurriedly, so you will find Brahma Sutra is very difficult. Now let me go to another sutra, sixth sutra of the same section. Sixth sutra. If anybody of you need more desk, No? Okay, because probably you have to keep it on. I see too many books are there and you have to bend, then you have to see like this. And the light is also less. They keep it like that, don't worry. Light is also less. Like, you want lamp or what? I feel light is less. This light is not meant for studying. This is a warm light, warm yellow light. For studying you need a white, cool white light. Anyway, but you can manage it. It's not unmanageable. Okay, don't change these lights now. This is what is there. This is for audience. Studying you need all of you have table lamp or not in your room? Okay, now let me go to the Smritescha. Now Smritescha means what? This is the 6th mantra. I'll give you the general introduction, general analysis of this mantra. So Bhagwan Vedavyasa takes clue from Smriti now. From Smriti. Smriti is 5th case. From Smriti. Acha? Haan. No, what he says. Now I will take you to the sutra. Please open the book. This Chandogya. In the Chandogya Upanishad, where am I? Yeah, this is there. See here, 14th Khand, you see the 3rd sutra, you see? There one word is coming, Esha ma atma antar hridaya. Esha ma atma antar hridaya. This atma, which was as manomaya, prana sharira, is in the heart. Antar hridaya is 7th case again. See? That means this upasya devata is in the heart. Oh. Now, so he is the hridayastha upasya. He is the hridayastha upasya. Get my point. Bhagwan Vedavyasa is not telling the same thing. Same thing, container, content point. That container and content cannot be different and cannot be same. So he is now putting this point that, see, it is mentioned here also that Esha ma atma, here atma is Paramatma, Brahma, which is being upasya devata, is antar hridaya, is in the heart. Okay. And now the question is started. Where in Smriti it has been said? You said Smritescha. Abhi Smritescha means so many Smritis are there. There are 15, 16 Smritis. Smriti means that text which has been written by some individual. Or maybe God also has said like that, which had a starting point. So before Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita was not there. There is a Yagyavalkya Smriti is there, Manu Smriti is there. Narada Smriti, lot of Smritis are there. Plus sometime Puranas also are put in the Smriti. Mahabharata also is taken as Smriti, general, loosely. Ramayana also they use as Smriti. Or this Panini Vyakran is also taken as a Smriti. And this Sankhya sometimes, whom are you talking is Smriti? There is such a vast area of Smriti. Which Smriti are you talking? Bhagwan Vedavyasa wrote and went away. Although he is Chiranjeevi, but you can't catch him now. Otherwise you would have brought him and asked, which Smriti are you referring here? Bhagwan Vedavyasa. At least you would have written this much and then left the sutra. Which is sutra you could have written some Vishaya Vakya. So he said, no, I am sending another one who will clarify. And here Bhagwan Shankaracharya enters. He has written, here Smriti means Bhagavad Gita. And he has written this. You can see in the Bhashya also. Ishvara sarva bhutanam hriddeshe arjun trishtati. Dekho, wahi point pakda hai na. Hriday word was coming here. Esha ma atma antar hriday. He got exactly. It's called bullseye, he hits it. I don't know why it is called bullseye. There is no bull there. That concentric circles which has a point. Why it is called bullseye? Huh? Achha, I thought no bull is there. Hitting at the bullseye. The other expression, catching the bull by its horn. So he has really hit the point. And you know, this is a popular shlok. I very oftenly quote this shlok. Very oftenly. Ishvara sarvbhutana amritdeshi arjun tishtati brahmin sarvbhutani yantrarurani maya. This is 18th chapter. Very oft quoted shlok is there. What is said here now? He is saying here, Ishvara. Lo. What is mentioned as Atma is Ishvara. Now where is Ishwar? Hriddeshe, 7th case aa gaya. Ye lo. Same thing. See how his heart is one with Bhagwan Vishnu, Vedvyas. Shankaracharya you can see the oneness of his heart. How can he know otherwise what you are talking about? How can you know? More you hear, more you will be wanting to offer namaskar every day to Bhagwan Shankaracharya. Okay. देखो ऐसे लोग हैं. Now he is saying, Ishwar is in the heart of all. Ishvara sarvbhutanam. Bhutanam. Bhutanam. Here bhut does not mean only human being. Jivan, see the Tika person, Tika you see. Tika. Bhutani Jivan. So all jivas. It can be elephant also, cat also, dog also. Ant also, chalo ant because it can be lice also in the hair if you have. There also that Ishwar is there. I hope nobody has lice. So Ishwara sarvbhutanam hriddeshi arjun tishtati. बताओ अभी क्या हो गया? That Ishwar who is all pervading. You are putting him into location. और कर क्या रहे वहां बैठ के? Brahmayan sarvabhutani. Brahmayan, he is making everything run. Acha? Alone? No. Then yantra rudhani mayaya. So yantra rudhani is the adjective of sarvabhutani. So that yantra rudhani sarvabhutani. So all the jeeves are and with the instrument called Maya embedded in it. Acha? Tippanikar says Yantram Shariram. Yantram Shariram. So in the subtle body, in the gross body, that Ishwar is there. Oh. So what is said here? See here. Ishvara sarvbhutanam hriddeshi arjun tishtati brahmin sarvbhutani antra rudhani mayaya. So he is making everything run. Acha, if he makes by himself, Brahman is not the doer. How can he do anything? If pure Brahman is taken, pure Brahman is not even Jagat Karana. So Brahman along with Maya is the doer. You heard that. So Maya. So Brahman, Maya. Or whom he is making it run? Brahman Sarvbhutani. Sarvbhutani is which Vibhakti here? Dvitiya. Sarvbhutani. Yantra Rudhani Sarvbhutani. That which is in Sarvbhutani, Yantra Rudhani. As if it is not. It is by Maya, Yantra Rudhani. Maya is Arud. Arud means climbed up. So Yantra Rud, that means who has climbed up the body. That Maya which is operating on the body, subtle body, gross body, all bodies. Achha. By alone he is not doing. No, alone he doesn't do anything. Maya. Achha. Maya Dhyakshen Prakriti Suyati. So what do you mean by that here? I'm not going to explain the shlok, but I'll touch and I'll go there. Ishwar pervades the world in two ways. One is as Adhisthana Rupataya, as a Brahman, where he is non-doer, non-enjoyer, like the rope pervades the snake. In his Swarup, he is pervading everything, about which it was mentioned as Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma in 14.1. Second form what Ishwar pervades is in the form of holder of the Maya. Because Maya is there, holder of the particular dharma of that particular object. He is the doer of the holder, doer, sustainer, destroyer. So one is he is pervading as Adhishthanataya, other he is pervading as Adhyakshtaya. He is pervading as the presider of all, president of all, controller of all. This is the Sagunishwar, which is presiding as the controller of all. Whether it is your body, whether it is your mind, whether it is sun, presider of all, controller of all, holder of all, destroyer of all, manifester of all. I hope this is the meaning here. In this present context, second meaning is there, not the first. In this context. And in it is said, it is in. In is told. In is told to tell it is innermost and controller of all. You say, no, he is an in person, inside person. In the office, in this institution, he is the inside person. In the cabinet, he is the inside person. Inside doesn't mean he lives in the inside the room all the time. Inside means the controller. It is not to say physically he is living, but more controlling capacity he has. This controlling capacity is called insight. He is the inside person. This ministry is inside ministry. This finance is inside ministry. Home ministry is inside ministry. That controls other. So with the upadhi of Maya, it has become a controller. Get my point. Controller, sustainer, destroyer, manifester, unmanifester. He is pervading in each corner, in each part and a particle also. And pervading each particle, he is holding the dharma of that particle. Or he can manifest another dharma which you have never thought like that. Elephant can become as light as, what is it called? Anything. It can change the dharma. Like Bhagwan Krishna goes in Mathura and he held Kualiya pit like this. That elephant, he did like this. The strength of 10,000 elephants did like this. Or Bhagwan Ram broke the bow which could not be even budged by anybody. It became very light. Nobody saw when was it broken. Only people saw it is lying down there. So it can change the dharma of the particular object. it will destroy the object. It can manifest it. A person can disappear in front of you. Somebody is sitting and he disappears. Sun is there, all of the night will come. No logic. Because Maya, kim ashakya. Anything can happen by Maya. And when these things are mentioned in Puran, then they say, these Puranas are this children's story. How is it possible? From Brahmaji's nose, nostrils, Barahatar came. How is it possible it started building a building, becoming bigger. How is it possible Ravan had 10 heads? How will he sleep? Because the known person. How will he sleep to his side? They keep on asking such questions. Very mysterious things are there. How is it possible Lagima Siddhi is there? Hanumanji had, he became bigger. Anima, Lagima, Mahima, Ishattam, these Siddhis are there. Don't get surprised. You don't know the thing. Problem is this. Koop Mandup. You, the frog in the well, you don't know there are bigger things. Well, I was also like that. I also didn't know various things. Lot of Shaktis are existing. Ishwar is not an easy topic to deal with. I hope. And similarly, I told also, he has easy access, rather he is there in the mind also. And he has easy access to change your mind. It can really disturb your mind horribly. Sometimes the stars are there which is disturbing the mind. He can really create a havoc in the mind. Change your decision. Make you decide wrongly also. Yadar vinash kale viparit buddhi. He can really make you take a very wrong decision and invite your big problem. So Brahman word you see. Brahman. Brahman means holder, sustainer, changer, maintainer of dharma, destroyer, manifester, unmanifester, anugrah, samarth, nigrah, samarth. Everything is in there. Ishwar. This is number 2 Ishwar. Presiding Ishwar. Not the Adhishthan Ishwar. Ishwar, Brahma with Maya operating Ishwar. Whether it is fruit, whether it is plant, whether it is animal, whether it is human being, ityadya. I hope this point is clear. So Ishwar is inside now. Oh, this is done now. Over. And the word meaning we did not get. Word meaning is very simple. What is there in word meaning? Word meaning, if you want, is smritehe cha. There are 2 words there. Please write, because we have been writing word meaning. So let us complete it. No, all that is simple, but still we should complete it. Okay. Say like that. There are 2 words, smritehe cha. Something say chakar, etc. Looks good. So there are 2 words here. Then one is smritehe. Another is cha. So here it is said here, smritehe means from the smriti. Here smriti is Bhagavad Gita, used with the vibhakti. From Bhagavad Gita. 5th case of Gita is Gitayaha. So Bhagavad Gitayaha. From Bhagavad Gita. And cha means what? Because of this reason also. Samuchayarthe chakara. Samuchayarthe. Earlier reasons also I gave 4 reasons. Of the 4, add 1 more. That is called cha. And this. This is which reason? 6th reason. 5 reason already had been given. Okay. How will you write the whole sentence? Manomayadi Vishishtopasyam Brahma Jiva. Manomayadi Vishishtopasyam na Jiva. Smriti Smritehe. In bracket you write Smriti Pramanat. Smritehe or Smriti Pramanat cha. This completes the whole sentence. Manomayadi Vishishtupasyam na Jiva. When I say all the time Manomayadi means 14.2. 14.2 where Manomayaha, Prana Shariraha, etc. have come, right? So Manomayadi Vishishtupasyam na Jiva Smritehe cha or Smriti Pramanat. I hope this point is clear. I will not take you to the bhashya of this. Let us see. Little Purupaksh is there, very simple Purupaksh, not a difficult Purupaksh. So after he has mentioned, before going to the next word, you are saying, he is saying, what is this? We are saying inside is Ishwar, inside is Ishwar. Never we heard like that. Smritischa sharir, smritischa. See the word. Sharir. Sharir means Jeev. Don't forget. Smritischa. Smriti is nominative. Sharir paramatmanoho bhedam darshayati. Smriti. Countless smritis are there, I told you. In that, to know that this is the taken point, this is not easy work. Smritischa sharir paramatmanoho, sixth case, bhedam darshayati. Darshati means shows, it makes you see, not pashyati. It makes you see this. Pathayati. Adhyapaka shishyan pathayati, not patati. Here comes somewhere. He is making them learn. Not he is learning or he himself is trying. So Smriti, what is saying? Then Ishvara Sarvbhutanam Hridyasya Arjun Tishtati Brahmin Sarvbhutani Yantarunani Mayaya. Ityadya. Ityadya means there are more also. I am giving only one. Okay. Now the Purupaksh comes. Atraha. He says Purupaksh. He said, by new things I am learning every day. I am telling new things. Well, what new things I have told you? Kaha punah ayam shariro nama paramatmana anya. He is saying that this, ayam shariraha. Ayam means this Jeev. Paramatmana anya. What is this Jeev different than the Paramatma? Kaha? He is asking the question. Paramatmana, fifth case. Paramatmana anya sharira nam kaha? Here from this new thing has come up which is different than the Paramatma. But why you are saying like that? Yah pratishiddhyate, which has been negated by the anupattesh tu na sharirah. In that sutra it was said that these qualities are not possible in the Jiva. Where from this has come? Who? This so-called your Jiva. But why you are asking this question? Because Shruti tu nanyah atasti. It says other than Brahman Drishta, nothing else is there. Where from this Jiva has come in between? Whole Upanishad you are talking only that Isha Vasam Idagam Sarvam, only one Chaitanya is there. Yastu Sarvani Bhutani Atmanyevanu Pashyati Sarvudeshu Tatmanam Tato Navijugupsate. Only one Atma is there, Varam Brahman is there. Where from this Jiva has come all of a sudden? Yasmin Sarvani Bhutani Atma Ev Bhut Vijanata Tatra Ko Moha Kashoka Ekatvam Anupashyata. So many Upanishad we are hearing only to know that now this Jeev is different than Paramatma. Nanya Ata Asti Drashta, Nanya Ata Asti Shrota. Ata means Brahmana. There is no other Drashta and no other Shrota. Iti evam jatiyakaha Paramatmana Anyam Atmani Varayati. It removes. There is nothing else other than the Paramatma. Only Brahman is existing. Where from this Jeev you brought in? Who is different than Brahman? And container contained. You have been telling me yesterday. Antaratman and then Purushaha, container contained. Container cannot be content. Today also you can. You all the time a locative case and this nominative case. Hare bhai, all we have been hearing, only one Atma is there. Smriti api. Kshetrajnam chapit mam vidhi sarva kshetreshu bharata. In all the me only I alone am there. Iti evam jatiyaka iti. Both are same. Bhaskar said, bhai, don't get upset. And I'm telling you the answer. Why are you getting upset? No, I'm not getting upset. I'm just telling you. Okay. I'm listening. Bhai, I've been hearing only Abhed is there. Only one Chaitanya is there. You are bringing two every day. ये तो सब गड़बड़ जाएगा. No, everything is fine. Atrochate satyam eva etat. What you are saying is right. What you are saying is right. Oh, thank you. Very rarely you tell me that you are saying. Otherwise you say no, naisha dosha. What you are saying is right, but what I am saying is also right. How come? Para eva atma. See what is written here. That absolute self, Dehi Indriya Manobuddhyadi Upadibhi, by the conditioning of body, mind, intellect. Upadhi word is very important. Samipe sthitva sasya dharmasya gunasya anyasmin kalpana rupena adhiyate. I'm not asking. I don't want to upset your mood also, my mood also, in the morning. Okay. I know everybody will not be able to answer. So that what you had written, you please take that sutra. There's some mistakes are there, I'll indicate in that. So, para eva atma, underline that please. Para eva atma, de indriya manobuddhyadi upadibhi, parichhidyamanaya manmanaha. After being conditioned by the body, mind, intellect, balaihi. Balai means? Balai means not here. Children. Children is ignorant people. Shaririti uchyate. They say he is in the body. They say Atma is in the body. We feel I'm inside the body. That made me become children. I'm already 50 times. No, because you are infant as far as spiritual life is concerned. I don't know you are born or not. So Sharire. Balaihi. Sankhya yogam pathak balaha pravdanti na pandita. Bala word is used in the scripture instead of ignorant person. You don't say you are talking childish. You are not childlike. Childish, you are prattling like a child. What are you taking childish thing he is talking? Childish person is there. He is very childish. His thinking is very childish. So, balaihi. Iti upacharyate. Sharir word which I have been using, that inside the body, sharire bhava. It is upachar. Upachar means with reference to something I am talking. Not in an absolute sense it is being said. Upachar means it's just with reference to I am talking to somebody. Reference to somebody is there. Okay. Somebody's mother with reference to somebody, not that whole world she is mother. With her father, father will not address her daughter as a mother. It is upchar. Father will take the name of her daughter. So, here it is yatha ghat. Ghat means pot. Karak. Karak means kamandal. Karak adi upadhi vashad aparichinnam api nabha. This limitless space parichhinnavat avabhasate tadvat. Tadvat ihapi. Here also, that Brahman, which has no doership, no enjoyership, it is not inside the world. Tad apekshaya. Tad means what? Upadhi apekshaya. Karma kartrutva adi bhed vyavhara. Ab here if you say upadhi of what? With the upadhi of doing in the world. World is in action. Whole world is in a terrible action. There is not a thing which is not in action. You think this is not in action. But there is a molecule inside. In that molecule there is a neutron inside. The electron is going around the neutron. You think this is not acting, but this is acting. Action is going on here also. Atom is there. You must have heard this basic science. Atom is there. Molecule is there. It is acting inside. Movement is going on. Movement is going on. Ishwar is pervading here also. And this is decaying also. Everything is decaying also. And the same Ishwar makes it not work also. Blame somebody. Somewhere somebody has to be blamed. Everything is going on well. He only sits in the wire and disconnects it. No air is there which is disconnecting. Why storm comes, you can understand. Storm has moved it. Everything is going on well. He sits there, no work, just disconnects. And here, Duraj is struggling now inside that. And here he is smiling. Karo. Busy raho. So whole world, because it is in action, therefore you need a very big actor. Moment you bring world and Maya, then you have to bring another kind of. This is called upachar. With reference to the world, he is inside everything. So please see the tad apekshaya karma kartrutva adi bhed vyavhara. Tad means upadhi apekshaya. Tippani usi upadhi apekshaya. 1 number. Oh, because you see the action in the world. Action cannot be without what? Action cannot be without what? Without sankalpa. Fit in very properly. 100 times I will tell this same time. This thinking that everything is happening by itself, automatic, natural, all these things are, we have been trained to think wrongly. Naturally, nature is very beautiful. Wow, what a world. Body is self-healing, Swamiji. It is healing automatically. Everything is healed automatically. It is not self-healing, my dear. In the body, same Ishwar is there. He is healing it. Be Ishwarvadi, not Dravyavadi. So with the reference of a big action going on, and if Sankalp is there, there is Sankalp Karta. But how can that Brahman become Karta? Arey bhai, उपाधि बोला ना, उपाधि इसीलिए आया. तद अपेक्षया च कर्म कर्तृत्वादि भेद व्यवहार. In the samashti is like that. In the veshti also, although I am a non-doer, but I appear as a doer. Na viruddhyate. When it is said Prak Tattvamasi iti Atmaikattopadesh Grahana. Before Tattvamasi is taught, the person is thinking that I am the doer, I am the enjoyer, everything is there. One Ishwar is there, Ishwar is only there, Bhagwan is sab karta. Only he knows the God, doer God, and not the essence God. Prak Tattvamasi. See, don't leave one word if you really are. Increase your sensitivity towards Bhashya. Be sensitive to the scriptures. Your heart and Bhashyakar's heart should meet. When you are reading Bhashya, and if you are reading Tulsi Ramayana, your heart and Tulsidas ji's heart should meet. And when you read Valmiki Ramayana, Valmiki's heart and your heart should meet. Arey, my heart meets everybody. What will happen to my heart? No, when you are studying, your heart should be one. Okay. Unless you'll understand that I have not got the essence of that. Essence, you won't get it. So what is written? Prak Tattvamasi iti Atmaikat Upadesh Grahanat. Before this Upadesh is given to the student, he thinks Ishwar is different. Doer. I am doer. Achha. Grihite tu Sati Saptami. Grihite tu Atmaikatve Sati. After you know that only Brahman is there, he is clarifying every point. Not a single doubt should be there. Bandha mokshadi sarvevar parisamapti revasyat. You understand there is no bandhan, there is no moksha. All vyavhar is now over. That means it is not true. I hope this completes the sutra 1.2.6. It is written in bracket 37 sutra. 37 sutra is there from the beginning. Let us now see 38 sutra. Page 191. Please repeat after. Arbhako kastvat tad vyapadeshacha niti chet na nichayatvad evam vyomavat cha. Again. Arbhakau kastvat tad vyapadeshacha na iti chet na nichayatvat evam vyomavaccha. So here again the Purvapakshi is raising some objection. What is this has two parts, this particular sutra. One is Purvapaksh part, and that is Siddhanti part. What is the Purvapaksh part? Arbhakau kastvat tad vyapadeshat cha na. Till na, up to na. Actually it is not niti. Na plus iti is there. Earlier also the expression has come. Till na is Purvapaksh part. Iti chet onwards is the answer. Iti chet na. Not che na. Ta has become na. Iti chet na. And then he gives the answer. Nichayatvad evam vyomaccha. This is the answer. Iti chet, till is the question. Na is a Purvapaksh. Now what he is saying now? What is he saying? Although the answer has been given here in the Bhashya, but again I am going to it. Purvapaksh is, sorry, I am not able to accept that your Upasya Devata is Ishwar. You have just quoted Bhagavad Gita. Yes, I have quoted that. And also you quoted the Shandilya Vidya. Yes. There in the Shandilya Vidya, the word had come in the heart. The word had come in the Atma, in the heart. What word was there? Antar Hriday, Atma, Antar Hriday. And here it is said that Antardeshe. Yes, it was said there, I have no problem. It is said, but yes, I am saying then why I will not disagree to what I said earlier. But you cannot, because it is written. You cannot disagree. You have written it. Be very careful what mail you write, okay? What mail you write, what messages you write. It can be produced in the court. Don't write, I will give you a lot of donation. Don't write any such things. Don't write. Or any harder words, don't write, because he can produce it and prosecute you. Where in anger, you wrote something. So he can take to the court. Written matter has come now. If you have to shout on somebody, you can shout verbally. But phone also, there is a recorder for your information. For your information, in the phone also, I don't know how to operate. You know how to operate. In my phone also it is there. This Kapil Sharma is there. Kapil Sharma. You know Kapil Sharma? This comedian in India. Funny person. So, very, very funny person. Very good comedy is there, no doubt about it. You know, he was talking to press person on phone and abusing him left and right. He recorded everything. Because on the phone, he had switched on that area. The world has become different, and be careful. Therefore, I am talking about. If you shout in front of each other. And sometimes they switch on their mobile recorder. The maids, etc. are there. And you are calling them for any action. So they switch on the recorder. Okay. So be very careful while dealing with anybody. Well, I don't shout, best is I won't say anything. Electronic is dangerous at certain points. In the hotel, etc., they go. Sometimes they put the camera in the room. Hidden camera is there. The hotels, etc. Risky. These big cameras are there. Like a button. Spy cameras. But this is not a part of Brahma Sutra. No, this is just by the way. Brahmachari should not be that they are Gochu, Gobar, Ganesh. They are not knowing anything. Some knowledge should be there how to live in this world. Going in the airport lost. Standing there with the bag. See where is written what is there. Where is international, where is national, where is pointers are there. Sitting there, standing there. Flight time is over, you are standing, sitting here. To be little smart also. While talking on the phone, be careful. Phone you have not put off and you are put on the phone and or whatever is saying on that person is a absent-minded person. You don't know that. Phone you have not put on. You have kept it and whatever you are talking on that person is hearing it. This is because these touch phones are very sensitive now. Touch phones. After the call, always put it off properly. Electronic. My grandfather used to say, science is a good servant but bad master. Now let us check this slok, what is written here. He said, you have said one point. What? that heart is a container. And that Ishwar is content. Well, yes, I said like that. You have said that. Antaratman Purusha Hiranmaya. You quoted Shatpat Brahmana also. And Antarhriday also you said. Well, yes, I said that. You said no? Yes, bhai, I said it is written, I am saying. Upanishad is saying, not I am saying. Gita is saying, Upanishad is saying. I am not saying anything out of my own mind. Now he is saying here, Arbhakaukaha. See the word here. Arbhak means small. Oka means container. So Arbhakaukaha means small container. Arbhakauka, Arbhakam oko yasya. Whose container is small? This is Bahubri Samas. So Hriday is small. Heart is like this, like a fist. You heard that. Angushtamatra Purusha Madhya Atmani Tishtati. Ishana Bhut Bhavyasya Natatu Vijugupsate. Kathopanishad it said. So that first clue is that the Upas Devata is residing in the small container because heart is very small. Yes. Agreed. Second clue what is mentioned here in that 3.14.3. Aniyan vrihehe yavadva. It is smaller than the barley, smaller than the rice, smaller than the sesame seed. Yes, agreed. So that particular Ishwar, which is a Upasya Ishwar, that means it is very small, very particle and all like that. Aniyan means smaller. Yes. Then my problem is very big. What is your problem? Why Ishwar is described as all pervading. Ishwar is described as Vibhuhu. Everywhere Ishwar is there. We have been talking Sab Ghat Sai Bastare Katuk Bachan Na Bol Bhai. Every heart, same God is there. Don't say anything hard. He is all pervading. Same Upanishad has been said Akash Sharira. So it is very big. Everywhere Ishwar is there. Then, so my point is, if it is a content, how can it be so big? When you say it is content also, content, container content. At the same time, you say also Ishwar is Vibhu also. To understand what is the problem. So, Arbhakauka Stvat. Arbhakauka Stvat means being very small. Being very small in the container. Being very small in the container. Smaller container. Being very smaller in the container. Because content will always be smaller than container. Content cannot be bigger than container. So if container itself is so small, your heart, so content will be smaller than that. Okay. Vyapadeshacha, this has been said. No iti. Yes, I don't accept. I'll tell the word meaning later. Iti chet, supposing I say like that. So here, question is there. Got the point. He is inside the content. Container is there. Container is there. And this is what ordinary people also understand. Simply, Atma is in the body. And after death, Atma goes out. Atma chali gayi uski. Atma has left the body. That means Atma is inside the body. And when it is heard, they hear first time, supposing they come. And second chapter is not that easy. Second chapter, at least from 11th verse to 25th verse, is totally Vedantic. Nasato vidyate bhava. All these are not that easy shlokas. And a person comes here. Avinashi tu tad vidyena sarvavidam tatam. That which is all pervading. Now the new person comes. Who has a knowledge that Atma is inside the body? He said what? It is all pervading Atma. Then he says, what I have heard that Atma goes out. This is Swami, one question is there. That Atma goes out. How come this Atma goes out? And one commonest question, totally foolish question. How long Atma takes from this body to that body? When the body dies, how long it takes to get to another body? Commonest question and most foolish question. So from the topic of the self, they go to another topic. If you talk to an ordinary person, you can see how they jump in their questions. And supposing four are sitting, especially ladies. When one is asked, by the time you answer, other gives the answer to her. You are explaining, but they cut you in between. And she gives the answer. Now third, they are giving the answer. You keep quiet and just watch. You enjoy that. Don't get irritated. You enjoy. In between, they'll cut you. Rather than listening the whole thing. And then that, when Mamaji passed away, that last Monday. So Mamaji passed away from that. So Mamaji has taken a new body or where is he? Or still is in the house? कहाँ टॉपिक आ रहा है अविनाशी तो तद विद्धि. The Gita is talking about the Atma. You from where to where you jumped here and there. You didn't listen to me. Keep quiet and listen first. Therefore, don't encourage discussion during the talk. Because they'll go tangent here and there. Just say, coolly you say, yes, after the talk, we'll have. And whether then they forget also. After the talk, nobody will ask. They forgot all the questions. They are so innocent. They have no questions after that. They are busy with their food and all these things. If they remember, then you explain that. Similarly, Purva Paksh is saying, by this container content you are talking of, Arbhakaukastvat. Arbhak, child is also called Arbhak. Small children. Arbhak. Arbhakaukastvat. Oak means container. Small container. Vyapadeshacha. Ishwar is all pervading. And you are saying that he is inside the heart. Iti chet. Na iti. It is not possible like that. Na iti. Then after that, again this second na is from Vedvyas Bhagavan. Na. He said na. Nichayatvad evam vyomavat. Nichaya. Nichaya means it is upasya. We are putting the point that Ishwar is in the heart for upasana. Upasyatvat. For upasana it has been mentioned. They are putting, because upasana is to bring something which you know, which you see. What you have seen and known, on that we are putting the buddhi of unseen. Nichayatvat upasyatvat. I'll see it tomorrow. Thank you so much. Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Hari Om.